In this video, we will learn how to use voting option in Outlook. So let's start. Just click on the first new email. I just clear this text. Okay, I just choose here the email ID. So I send them the voting for food. Okay, then I enter here my question. Which type of food would you would you like best for a special dinner party? Okay, and question mark. Thanks, PND Tech Zone. Okay, then I'm going to add here the voting option. Just go to the option tab, click on the use voting button. Here you see already option mention approve, reject, yes, no, maybe, and you can custom it. So I'm going to custom it. So here have a option to use voting buttons. So I use the voting buttons: food, pizza, pasta, and noodles. Okay, noodles. Okay, then close it, and here you see you added the voting buttons to this message. Okay, then send it. Now we will check the send mail hour. So I go to the send mail here. Okay, I just refresh one if it's sent or not. Yes, it's received. It's sent. So here you see when you receive mail. So here you see mention vote by clicking the vote in the respond group above. Okay, here you see in the message, here I will show the option. I show the green sign to plus and cross sign in red, and when you click on this arrow, the three option is mentioned here: pizza, pasta, and noodles. I just select pizza. So here you choose on the respond pizza, send the response now, and you can edit it also. Just click on OK. You responded the pizza at the time. That's I just close it. Now I just go to the inbox. Here you see this the first mail and the second mail. We respond the pizza, na? So we will receive the pizza option. That's it. Here you see pizza, voting for food pizza. This response you will receive. Okay, when someone vote the your mail. So pizza voting for food, and someone suppose select the other option noodles, then noodles voting for foods, and this email ID mention of this person. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.